Alright folks, a little update here. The 3300 is back up and running. Drive shaft got welded. And we got some issues with, there we go. She keeps grinding, folks. The throat of this rig is plugging up on us. Trying to figure out. And there you go, you got 8880 special there.
Maintenance!
Alright, maintenance. See what's going on. We're on it. Alright folks, we got a little issue down here. We're grinding. We're the field mechanics. All day long we drive up and down here working on shit. Ooh, that don't sound very... Clutch is about ready to let loose. Whoa! Whoa! Holy shit! Whoa! Something ain't right. Bearings out? Bearings out? No, it needs to go back. Oh. Oh, yeah. I don't know why. You know what? I'll tell you why. Difference between maybe drill beams and row beams, maybe. Takes 4 mechanics to keep up 2 combines, folks. It's an all-day process. That's all we do. We're a consultant company. Oh, there we go, folks. Oh, we got another ranch hand. They're out in the big tractor. We got a lot of operation going on today, folks. Here comes one of our semis to come in to offload for us. They're going to come in down at the bottom of the property. Motherfuckers, they've been late. They've been gone for 4 hours dumping. I don't know what the fuck the problem is. Come this way, you cocksucker. The fuck's he going? Alright. Somebody call him on the radio. Let him know to come up the south side. We got a little problem here, guys. I want you guys to comment down below on, see if you can figure out what we got going on here. Like I said, second year farming and stuff. Got the farmer coming up here with the pull behind drag. Got something going on. So, yeah, put it down at the bottom in the comments. How you like us now? 2018 bean harvest, folks. Well, that cow's shit. This has been going on all day long, folks. We're plugging up. I'd like to have the Iowa Dairy Boys comment on this. Let us know what the fuck is going on. I'm not a farmer. I'm just a fill man. Here comes the ranch hand. He's in the cab tractor, folks. $46.40, folks. $46.40. What's going on? What's going on? Nice. motherfuckers. Find them if you can grind them. Fuck.
What's the matter with this thing now? Huh? What's the matter with it now?
I'm going to speed up the basket so you can feed it in faster to the gatherer.
Can you adjust the reel any farther down?
What?
Put the reel all the way down. What you need to do,
Take out that bolt and lower it.
you need to take this pin here out and drop the pin down so your reel.
Down it, look. Fast so you throw it into the hole.
I mean, you think it'd be fine.
Huh?
You think it would be fine where it's at.
It needs to come down. You need to drop one pinhole. You need to drop one pinhole.
What?
On the cylinder, drop one pinhole. That way you have
It's
an
going low enough, it's just not fast enough to throw it into the hole and suck it in. It's just laying it down onto the fucking thing, it's not sucking it in. If it was going faster, threw it into the hole and would cycle it in.
reel's not turning fast
Stand
enough.
it up, I'm gonna see what it does. Stand back.
It's online. There we go.
One problem with that though, if that circle bar ain't cutting it fast, it's what that fucking reel. That's why I say if you adjust it down, it's gonna push it into it.
Push it in.
Yeah, I've been doing this shit since I was 25 years old.
Second year farming here.
Huh?
Second year farmers. Second year.
Nah, these guys, hell no, they've been doing it since they were 5 years old.
Second year of like operating equipment on their own.
And then you got all this educated help up there on the platform right now. They don't have a fucking clue about it. Now you're great. You're better off to set that fucking reel down instead of setting that up.
We're gonna be running lights on this thing tonight. You get dark fast.
Well, I see Scott's back.
Yeah, he's running. It's run. He says running strong.
Oh, I did, but the collar busted.
Just weld it. Somebody's already welded before.
Yeah, somebody welded for this already.
Oh, what was that noise? We got a fire. Is that a fire?
Nah, it's a fucking smoke.
Keep your eyes there, folks. That belt was smoking.
You'll have this fucking road stop
All right, folks, got an update. We're back here at the main ranch house. We're diligently working on this piece of equipment, trying to make an adjustment on the spinner reel here. We're trying to shift it back up. We've loosened the bolts. We're binding it on the fucking starboard side, trying to push it back up here. She's fucking getting clogged in the throat and shit. So we've only got about an hour in the field since this morning at 6:30 a.m. If I could have had enough fucking batteries in all my GoPros, I probably could have had about 12 hours worth of video, but I've been on and off, pausing and starting. So we're gonna try to move this forward in round 7 in the field. We got a lot of mechanics here and stuff, as you can see. Got a lot of going on. Everybody's all drunk. All right, folks, we're back in the business again. Like round 10. We made adjustments to the front wheeler digger. Couple ranch hands, couple niggers. All right, what we did here is we unbolted this, slid it down, let it in there farther. It looks like it's taking it good. God damn it. All right, he's got to lift the throat up. It's full. It's not taking it in, folks. We're struggling with this. 2018 beans, and we're struggling. Whoa. We're smoking the clutch right now. Yeah, we really don't know what the fuck we're doing out here, guys. Well, look at that. Look at that. It dumps the load. We're trying to figure it out. This has been happening to us all day, guys. These are Liberty beans, and they're short. They're close to the bottom, as you can tell. Our bean guy sold them to us, and we're not very happy with them because we're struggling to pick them. What's happening here is we're gonna have to call a fucking expert. It's clogging up the header. I don't know, we may just have to fucking mow these under. We haven't even finished this field, guys. It's only 12 acres. We got 12 acres left in the 2018 bean harvest. I don't know what the fuck what's going on. It ain't working very good. There you go, folks. It's trying to choke that grain down. We're fucking struggling, folks. I think we're gonna have to get a GoFundMe page on this one. It's been pretty dismal today. Trying to figure out what's going on with the float mode. Everybody's pretty well drunk in the cab of that tractor. Yeah, I've never seen a harvest this way, but I don't know why we're leaving a strip here. I think it's a new style of harvesting. It's the way we pick, folks. We don't pick in straight lines. I really don't know what's going on here, why we're set up like this. All right, there's the 3300 special, folks, with the welded drive shaft for today. Please leave your comments down below. Maybe you can give us a couple tips. Second year in full season farming, upgraded to a 7720 turbocharged. We constantly have to lift the header to clear the throat. It's kind of like you got something in your throat and it's always tickling. That's kind of what's going on here. This is what's been happening, guys. Somebody please comment. We're in dire health. We got 7 people out here running pieces of equipment. And the 2018 bean harvest, 12 acres to go. It has taken us, 6:30. Hell, it's almost 7 o'clock now. Yeah, all day. Just trying to figure out what's going on. I'm in the corporate rig. What's going on?
First year front says that works over there.
There you go.
Just trying to get their insurance paid for the year.
There's a big old cow dump down there, folks. This is what's going on with the combine. Maybe you guys could tell us the telltale sign of this. How it just drops loads. See the piles back there? Basically, folks, the goddamn throat is getting plugged and it just drops the load. There we go. They're on cue. Got a lot of people on payroll today. Paying everybody double time today. There they are in this 7720. Folks, they're tag teaming the 12 acres. All right, folks, we got a little update here. We lost the chains. We're never going to get this 12 acres finished off today, folks. I was getting ready to leave here. It's going to end the video real soon anyways. But we did get a good breakdown on here, guys. See the chain dangling there? We just sheared the fucking main fucking drive header fucking chain. Holy shit. Oh yeah, it did some damage. It bent the fucking thing out. Oh yeah, it sheared it. Broke her right. Wow. Yeah, she's fucked up. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Hit that notifier button. 2018, folks, it's been a rough season. We lost that chain. That's done for tonight, folks. We're out of chains. There it is, folks. That's the money to pay for the parts right there. That's what's happening. There he goes. It's fucked up pretty bad. It's fucked up pretty bad. He's done. 2018 Liberty beans going in the hopper, folks. We'll pay for parts for the combine. Remember, folks, don't forget to subscribe. I'm out.